7 minus 9 then times open parentheses 7 minus 9 close parentheses to the power of 2. What is the answer of this question? Can you solve it? In the wrong way of solving this question, some people start from the left and simplify. 7 minus 9 equals negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 to the power of 2. Negative 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. And negative 2 times 4 equals negative 8. But this answer is wrong. Let's solve it step by step together. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Remember that the multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. Okay guys, let's solve this question step by step together. According to this rule, first we simplify the parentheses. 7 minus 9 equals negative 2. 7 minus 9 then times negative 2 to the power of 2. In this step, first we simplify the exponent. Negative 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. We have 7 minus 9 then times 4. Because the multiplication have the higher priority about subtraction, first we do multiplication. Negative 9 times 4 equals negative 36, and 7 minus 36 equals negative 29, and we get the final answer of this question. Final answer is negative 29. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.